Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and my today's video I'm going to do this Kareena Kapoor Khan inspired makeup look. If you want to know how I create this makeup look, then please keep on watching. If you like my video, then please give me some thumbs up and also comment down below. Saw different pictures of Kareena Kapoor Khan before doing this tutorial, but I find that this makeup look is very versatile yet elegant. You can carry this makeup on anywhere. You can just go out with this makeup. This is not so much dramatic makeup look, so I just find that this is so simple to recreate on me. So I just do my tutorial and this video. Also, I find that we don't need that much effort to recreate this makeup look, so I just do this makeup look. So if you want to know how I create this makeup look, then please keep on watching. Before starting the makeup, I'm going to move my hair into back. First, I'm going to apply this primer. Now I'm going to apply this foundation. This is Rimmel Lasting Finished Foundation. Now I'm going to make 2 pumps of this and then apply on my face. I'm just applying foundation with the help of a damp beauty blender. Today I'm going to do a Kareena Kapoor Khan styles makeup. So on her look, she have a very slim precise cheeks, but I have a chubby fatty cheeks, so I'm going to contour my cheeks. For the contour, today I'm going to use a cream contour. First I'm going to highlight my face and then contour my face. First I'm going to pick some highlighting color. She has very precise cheeks, so I'm going to contour my face a little bit. Also, she have a very narrow kind of forehead, but I have a huge forehead, so I'm going to contour my forehead too. Now I'm going to blend all this. First I'm going to a lighter parts. Now I blend all my highlighting parts. Now I'm going to blend all the contour. I'm not going to move my contour, just going to blend this. Now I just finished to contour my face. Now I just finished my contour. Now I'm going to set my contour with a powder. Now I'm going to highlighting area. Now I'm going to use little blunder on the contouring area. I just finished the base of my makeup. For the eyebrow, I'm using this color. This is a powder, eyebrow powder. In her that particular look, she didn't wear dramatic kind of eye makeup. She just wear a little soft black smoky eyes. So I'm going to create a little bit soft black smoky eyes. For creating that kind of soft smoky eyes, first I'm going to use this color as my transition shade. And also she doesn't use a very huge amount of eye makeup, so I'm going to use a little over with my crease line, not so high. Again, I'm going to use this color which I use on my eyebrow to fill my eyebrows. So I'm going to use this color. This is quite light kind of dark color. The next step is I'm going to use a kajal pencil. For the kajal pencil, I'm using this Floreal kajal pencil. I'm using this gel eyeliner. To smoke my under eyes, now I'm going to use a same dark brow powder. Here, finished my makeup, I'm going to apply blush, a little bit of blush on my cheeks. Now, also a little bit highlight my face too. Yeah, thank you so much for watching. If you like this recreating makeup look, then please give me some thumbs up. Do subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell icon to notify about future updates. We'll see you next time. Bye bye. And